If you walk up to a system that does not have a graphical interface installed at all, you'll likely see plain text-based prompt. It might have the name of the system or other use information as part of the header, and then it will have a login prompt. You can specify your username at the login prompt, and you'll be given a password prompt where you can specify the password. Once you're logged in, you have a bash shell prompt where you can issue commands. A simple command might be the who command to see who's logged on to the system. Most Linux distributions provide multiple consoles or virtual terminals in order to make it easier for more than one user to log on, or a user to log on with different accounts, or simply to log on multiple times with the same account in order to have multiple terminal windows to work in. To switch these virtual consoles, we use the Alt key and a function key. For example, if I type TTY, I'm told that I'm currently on /dev/TTY2. This is Virtual Console 2, which is accessed with the Alt key and the F2 function key. If I press the Alt and the F3 key, I will get a new virtual console with an additional logon prompt. I can log on with the same user, or I could log on with a different user. And again, once I have a prompt, I can type who to see who's logged in. If you look in the second column of the who output, this is telling you where that user is logged in. Susan's logged in on TTY2, and visitor is logged on TTY3. Susan's also logged in another location, a :0. This is an indicator that this system does actually have a graphical environment, and that environment is probably available on the first virtual console or Alt F1. You may also see PTS entries that are terminals within the graphical environment if Susan has opened multiple terminal windows in that graphical environment. Again, TTY will show me what terminal I'm at, in this case TTY3, and the Alt key and a function key will take me back and forth between the different virtual consoles. With a text-based interface, I don't have the mouse and I don't have copy-paste between these terminals, but I do have multiple windows where I can work on different projects or as different users. When I'm done working at this particular prompt, I type the exit command and it will return me to my logout prompt.